First of all, I want to go into a very actual issue. It's the issue of the planet X. Planet X, aka Niburu, aka wormwood. It's been a lot of times all over the internet for approximately about 8 years. It's been discussed in many scientific communities. And as we know, in the Torah, it is written on multiple occasions about this disaster to come to the world. I will first explain you a little bit what is Planet X, and then I will go to the sources written in the Talmud and in the Zohar הקדוש. First of all, Planet X, better known as Niburu, is a red dwarf star, somewhere between a brown and red dwarf. It emits more heat and infrared light than the regular light we see normally from our own sun. Most stars in the universe are binary or trilateral systems. It means 2 or 3 stars, one big main star, which is basically very much close to the center of the communal center of gravity of this particular constellations. Okay, first of all, our own sun. It's a yellow dwarf. It's bigger than a red dwarf, but it has a companion star, which is called Niburu. Niburu is, as it is called, a red dwarf, and it's accompanied by 7 planets, of which 4 are of considerable size. Our sun, as we know, has 9 planets. Okay, the fact is that because the sun is the bigger star, the center of gravity between those two is somewhere away from the center of the sun, which means that this object must go by an elliptical orbit seen by the sun, a very elongated orbit basically. Okay, first of all, let's understand that this is a red dwarf and mainly heat and infrared light is coming from it, and a small amount of the regular visible light we normally see. It is accompanied by a gas planet, a gas giant, which we have seen is somewhere around the color blue. It is known by the Native Americans as the blue katchinka. The blue katchinka is blue. Why is it blue? It's mainly hydrogen with some methane. Okay, we continue. The Torah speaks about the Great Flood. The Great Flood was a disaster which happened approximately 5,600 years ago, 400 years after